Hey guys, so I've been using the Oneplus 7 Pro for a while now, and a new beta update has been rolled out to the Oneplus 7 and Oneplus 7 Pro recently, and it's the fourth beta update. So I myself doesn't have the beta, and as you can see here, oxygen was 10.0.5. It's a stable version. So I myself doesn't have the beta, but I'm going to show you how you can install that, and also I'm going to go through the features that they bring out that is really important and still missing, such as a true black overall mode for the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro, and also there are other features such as the ambient display clock styles, more of them. There are a total of 3, as you can see here. If you go to the customization and clock style, you can see here one is the default one, and there's an analog and also a minimalism. So there are a total of 3 of them, but in the new beta, fourth beta, they bring out 7, I think. So a total of 10 new clock styles that you can choose from, and they are really nice, and I'm going to show you also how you can enable them. So let's get through it. I found that the only ways to update is actually via the Oxygen Updater app, and also if you go to the settings here, you can tick the mark here for advanced mode, and that's going to enable you to download the update via here. And the other way is to actually go to the Google Chrome in your phone or your computer and download the file from the official OnePlus website. But I already tried the other way and the link was removed. I don't know why. Maybe there was an issue with the update that they didn't want more users to find out. And also here, if you click on the download update, you can see you're going to get an error soon. You can see here, and pretty much I think they have removed the link, and there was maybe an issue with the update. So this was really unfortunate, but this is the way. This is the easiest way that you can update your device from the stable version to the new open beta 14. But I'm going to update you guys very soon this weekend, see if they have put up a new link. So thank you very much. I see you next time.